Alrighty, so I'm just going to take you all through a high performance build process. Like the chain links of a bike, we all need these to be well oiled, connected and durable. So it's the same with our construction. We need to look at the mechanics of our build, which is our envelope. To build a thermally efficient high performance home, we need to look into three main processes. So firstly, the thermal modelling, so we understand what calcs are backing up our design, the build sequencing and quality control. This means our envelope needs to be continuous with weather tightness, air tightness and insulation. We do this by identifying and reducing our thermal bridges, which is looking at areas where there is heat escaping to the exterior of our construction, how conductive the material is, and how we can slow this down. The use of good quality windows, which is appropriate for your geolocation, including awareness of shading and solar gains to avoid overheating. Also using balanced mechanical heat recovery ventilation systems. And then we need to back this up with what we have done with the blower door test once the air tightness control layer is in place, and also at the end of the construction. Today, we are briefly going over a low energy case study west of Queenstown using the previously mentioned processes. The homeowners are an architect, Carolyn from CF Architecture, who designed the house, and her partner, Jara, who has been an integral part of the build process. Both of these guys are mountain and dirt bike fanatics, so very cool. They have a team currently working on constructing their home to an internationally recognised low energy build standard, and they have chosen to use our Clima products on the complete exterior and interior of their home, including the underside of their floor adjacent to the ground. And this is to prevent wind washing as the house is constructed on piles. The windows, they have brought them in from Germany and they're timber, and these are placed in line with the insulation. These windows have an aluminium facade to protect the wood, and these are triple glazed, which is needed for their site to achieve the optimum performance for their build. Keeping in mind, window frames are one of the biggest sinkholes in your build, and it's worth investing money into these for any construction. Carolyn and Jara decided to go with balloon framing detail for their construction, which means that the construction has no interruptions of mid-floor or internal walls extruding through the main frame, and this reduces the thermal bridging. The other benefits of doing balloon framing removes the sometimes tricky mid-floor and detailing in the internal wall detailing as well. These guys are currently installing the INTELLO Plus, and I went out and took these pictures on Monday, and they're doing such a great job. The whole interior will be wrapped in Intello for a complete continuous air tightness layer, and they will also be getting this verified in the coming weeks. So far so good, and we're all looking forward to hearing the results. You know, why do we do all of this? So every member can return to their home and be comfortable in their environment.